Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. So this is my Roblox app. I've had that kind of issue. It was not loading recently, and I had to do little steps to make it load. So these are the few steps that I took in order to make my Roblox load. So I pulled down my control menu and I turned on my airplane for 10 to 15 seconds. I turned off my airplane and I was able to get the server back, but it was not going very well. The next step I took was to go to my phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, just scroll. I clicked on app management, app list. I search for Roblox, click on storage and cache. I cleared my cache and also clear my storage. Clearing your storage will make you to re-log into your Roblox app with your details again, so please make sure you know your main password. Having done that, next you can do in order to restore or make your Roblox load on your mobile is to go to your Play Store app and make sure you have the updated version of Roblox. If yours is not updated, it can also hinder it from loading on your mobile device. As you can see, mine is updated. So guys, that is it on how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile device. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.